Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Welcome to my presentation. My name is Unggul Gaman Satria. I am a graduate student at Universitas Islam Bandung, West Java, Indonesia. On this occasion, I will present my result of my research on change management in hospitals. It was submitted to Social and Humanities Research Symposium or SORES 2020. My presentation is divided into four sessions. First, introduction. Second, methodology. Third, research of philosophy. And finally, the conclusion. Change management in hospitals. First, introduction. Change is necessity that we must face. It has become Sunnatullah, Allah's will that on its time nature will change. Change will continue to occur in every aspect of life, starting from the people, then surrounding environment, as well as health service for the community. With rapid progress of times in the midst of global competition to maintain its existence, health services have experienced rapid changes and advance in terms of organization, human resources, systems, equipment, technology, and other. This study uses the qualitative descriptive method, where the method is limited to the sample unit. This method was chosen to help researchers explain in depth the various problems identified in this study and collect various potential problems that arise. The sample of this research is Karwangi Sukabumi Hospital, Indonesia. Research result: change management in hospitals. The most basic change management in hospital is a change from the old paradigm to the new paradigm. Paradigm shift towards hospital behavior. Old paradigm. Hospital is a pure social organization without business element. Patient need us. Patient need hospitals. Is arrogant, full of bureaucracy, sluggish, conservative, full of service. New paradigm. Hospital has considered social business element. We need patient. Hospital need patient. Communicative service excellent. Entrepreneurship, speed, motivation, pressure, aggressive. Service excellent. Paradigm shift towards management. All paradigm. Marketing is stable. Part-time management team, solitaire, autopilot, manual system. New paradigm. Marketing is needed. Full-time management team, network change. Professional management carries out its functions. Full integrated hospital management information system. Paradigm shift towards human resource management. All paradigm. Remuneration based on seniority, education, and years of service. Doctors as employees. Doctors part-time employees. Recruitment, nepotism with magic letters. New paradigm, job performance based remuneration. Doctors as suppliers, client, customer. Doctors, full-time, primary, and part-time. Recruitment, professional. Paradigm shift towards organizational structure. All paradigm. Fat and deep structure, full in functions. New paradigm, lean and flat structures, large in function. Paradigm change towards financing. Old paradigm. Out of pocket. New paradigm. National Health Insurance. BPJS. Paradigm shift towards hospital values. Old paradigm. Hospital values unformulated. Good corporate government is not implemented. New paradigm has values. Implementing good corporate government such as transparency, accountability, responsibility, integrity, fairness. Conclusion. Sekarwangi Hospital has made various changes to maintain its existence and try to develop to be better with changes in financial management, implementation of nurse service standards, and an increment to the type of hospital B. As a government-owned hospital, Sekarwangi Hospital cannot be separate from the existing bureaucratic system. This is a challenge in itself to synergize the word of bureaucracy with the word of entrepreneurship. Not all who are involved in hospital service have a paradigm of hospital need patients. Change management is form of effort to survive and develop, which requires mutual commitment and sacrifice. It takes time to process. Not all changes go as the plan. There are still obstacles and challenges. Thank you for watching my presentation and apologize for all the mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.